This is Financial Literacy 101. So we understand that right now the market is in somewhat of a market correction. It's pulling back a couple of points because of fear mongering with new proposed tax hikes based upon Joe Biden's 1.9 trillion COVID relief plan. This will be the third stimulus. I believe that it may go through. They're talking about $2,000 per person, okay? The same proposal that they had before. Everyone supposedly have received the $600, which a lot of people still haven't received that. But on with the next, we're talking about the third stimulus of $2,000. So based upon that and current projections of inflation, that the stock market in its totality is pulling back. Now, what's important to your investment portfolios? A lot of us are still not investing in Bitcoin. A lot of us are still not investing in other cryptocurrencies. Now, Bitcoin is what they call somewhat the gold standard. Okay, like in the world, the U.S. dollar is still somewhat considered the gold standard of currency. But in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is considered the gold standard. Now you're saying, well, if Bitcoin is considered the gold standard, and you're like, hey, that's 38,000, 39,000 per Bitcoin. Then what is the silver standard? Can I afford that? And let me tell you that a lot of you can absolutely afford the silver standard of cryptocurrency, and that's Ethereum. Okay. And what people don't understand is that Ethereum is not only a coin itself or cryptocurrency itself, it also has other cryptocurrencies listed on it, somewhat like its own exchange market. So Ethereum is very, very important to cryptocurrencies because you'll have other cryptocurrencies like Comp or Maker, Dogecoin. These are very important ones. So if I was to say, what is the silver standard of cryptocurrency, I would most definitely say that is Ethereum, because I believe it's its own crypto exchange market, like the NASDAQ SP 500, and then also the New York Stock Exchange. Then, if we would go down to even the bronze of the cryptocurrency, we like gold, silver, and bronze, correct? Then I will say that Litecoin is the next cryptocurrency that I will invest in. So in order of precedence, it would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, then Litecoin. These are very important cryptocurrencies, okay, in the whole cryptocurrency markets. Now, other than those top three, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, some other ones that I will look at. Now, Ripple, also known as XRP, if they can get out of their legal troubles of some fraudulent things, I think that one's going to blow up. It was on its way to doing very, very well, and some legal legislation came out about some illegal trading, something like that. I don't know the exact verbiage to give you guys, but nonetheless, I will kind of keep that on my watch list. I wouldn't really, once it clear its legal situation, then that's when I will invest. Okay, so we have, in order president so far, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, because again, Ethereum is very, very important. Ethereum is very, very important because it has other cryptocurrencies listed under its name. Okay, so thirdly, it would be Litecoin. Again, that's the third one I would invest in. Now, Litecoin is up there. I think Litecoin and Ethereum is still around like $1,000, a little bit over $1,000, but it's still cheaper than Bitcoin. Okay, Ripple, it's less than 50 cents. What are some other good ones? Stellar Lumens. It also may go by Stellar. But Stellar Lumens is also another good one that I have invested in. But let me tell you, when I started researching Bitcoin, what I did was I sold my Ripple, I sold my Stellar Lumens, I sold my Ethereum, I sold my Litecoin, and I invested all in Bitcoin, and I made good money. But now that the Bitcoin market, let me step back. The cryptocurrency market is kind of getting as you would say, more rhythm, more stability. Other outside traditional investors are now beginning to invest inside of it. This is when I will start investing into those other cryptocurrencies. Because again, if we would have started off investing in those other cryptocurrencies, we would have turned out pretty well. We would have turned out pretty well because they have a lot of spikes. But now, because all of the markets are essentially down, those small markets that are essentially under Bitcoin, they have came down too. They have done a pullback day as well. So there's a lot of money that we missed out on. So if you guys are not, fractional investing in cryptocurrency, I would advise you to do that. And again, we got Bitcoin being the gold standard. We have Ethereum being the silver standard. We have Litecoin being the bronze standard. Then you have Ripple, and you also have Stellar Lumens for you guys to watch out for and absolutely invest inside of. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Those are my picks that I will absolutely invest in when it comes to cryptocurrency. This is Financial Literacy 101. Learn money and invest in cryptocurrencies. I'm out.